morning, guys. It is Sunday morning and it's just been very chill. I woke up this morning. David actually went ice fishing super early this morning before I was even awake, so I just kind of woke up, FaceTimed my mom for like an hour, and then I had to edit yesterday's video. So it's been a very chill morning. I just got ready and now I think David actually just got home. I think I heard his car come, and we're gonna make breakfast, and then I don't know, I have like a whole list of things I need to do today, but we're gonna start with breakfast first. David is home, and I just remembered I forgot to open my advent calendar yesterday, so we have 2 days to go through. This is getting sad because there's literally not a lot of days left. So we need 19 and 20. Is it really the 20th today?
Yeah.
I cannot get over that it is literally the 20th today. That is insane. But we're gonna open day 19. Okay, this is super pretty. It is a red liquid lipstick from Stila in a really pretty red color. I feel like perfect for Christmas. I feel like I have to wear a red lip on Christmas Day. It just seems festive, and I miss wearing lipstick, you guys. I used to wear like a bold lip like once or twice a week, I feel like, and now I wore one the other day for the first time in what seems like forever. So that was fun. Day 20. Oh, more Mario Badescu, which you guys know I love this brand, and it's a serum, which I'm all about skincare, so this is awesome. Again, like a good size, like this will last me for a while, and yeah, excited about that. So that is the advent calendar up to day 20. So wild. And now we are gonna make breakfast because we're both starving. All right, what are we gonna make?
So we got the leftover bacon from yesterday.
Yum.
Some eggs, toast, and gonna try and fry some potatoes, make them crispy.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how yet.
We've never tried it before, but I'm sure they'll be good. What kind of potato isn't? And then I am going to attempt to, I don't know if it's called de-seeding, or basically I'm gonna try to get pomegranate seeds out of this. I love them, but I've never tried, I've always just bought them like I don't know, seeded, I guess. So I'm gonna attempt to de-seed it. I just watched a video on how to de-seed a pomegranate, and they made it look super simple, so we're gonna try it. I'm not sure that it's gonna be as easy as they said, but they said to cut the stem off first. So I don't know if that means like, ew, that's what inside the stem looks like of a pomegranate. This is focusing. Did you see that? I'm disturbed. Okay, so I have my stem off, and now he said to just score along the middle. So I'm just gonna take my knife and like gently cut a small little line throughout.
How easy is that knife to go through the skin?
Easy. Okay. I have to rewatch my video again. Okay, and I'm gonna take my knife and just pry it open. All right, so I pried it open. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Now I have a bowl, and they say to just tip it upside down and take a wooden spoon and just tap it until they all fall out. So we're gonna tap away. Okay, after like 5 minutes of just tapping, well, you kind of have to hit it hard, but I got so many seeds out. This is what they look like when they're done. There's still some seeds in that I'll maybe like cut out, but I definitely got the majority. And they're just like the prettiest things, and they taste amazing. All right, I finished my like help for breakfast, and David's gonna finish. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna go through all my Christmas gifts and kind of put them in boxes, because right now they're just like laying all over the bed, and I am going out later today to kind of really like finish every last bit of Christmas shopping. I feel like I've been saying that for a few days now, but isn't that the reality of Christmas shopping? I feel like you always like forgot one thing or something. So I'm gonna go through and like box up every gift and just make sure I have everything I need, and then if I need to grab anything today, I'll know what I need. So that is what I'm gonna do. Probably not gonna show you just because I don't want people to see what they're getting. So I'll see you guys at breakfast. Here is breakfast. It is like your all-American typical breakfast, but he made breakfast potatoes, some eggs, toast, bacon. We have our pomegranate. Looks so yummy. I think I have all my presents put into boxes. I just need a few more. Other than that, I think I'm good. So now is the fun part where we get to wrap it all. So I'm going to basically bring it all into the living room, turn on a Christmas movie, you guessed it, and go to town. I don't know, it's a daunting task, but I know like once I start, like I actually really like it, and it goes fairly quickly. So I'm going to haul all of this stuff into the living room, grab my wrapping paper. Still have to figure out my gift tags. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do about that, but we'll figure it out as we go. I have all of my stuff to do the wrapping sat by the tree, and I have my box of kind of ribbon. This year I'm doing a couple different types of ribbon. I bought this like really fluffy yarn from Amazon, and I haven't really pulled it out yet because it kind of intimidated me when I saw it, but I think it could look really pretty. So I bought a few boxes of that, and then I bought some of this gosh, I don't remember what it's called, but it's just like super thin I don't know, fabric wrapping ribbon. I don't really know. So I bought this off of Amazon as well. I have a bunch of that, so that would probably be like what most of the gifts are wrapped in. And then I'm doing my own gift tags, but there's a few people like my bosses and some people David works with and stuff that we wanted to write cards to, so we just picked a few of those up from Target. Then I just have, you know, boxes, a lot of tissue, some different types of string, tape, and I think we're ready to wrap, guys. Here we go. Okay, here is the first few wrapped. So I don't have my gift tags yet because we're out of printer ink and I need to go do them. But the plan is to put a big white star on here with the people's names. So that's the plan, but this is what they look like so far. I think they're really cute. I like the like bright red dot. I feel like it adds a lot. Here's this like super fluffy ribbon, which I think is cute. This is for my Secret Santa. This is for one of my bosses, and yeah, I think it's coming along. I feel like the white star is just gonna like wrap it all up, literally. So I am going to take a little break now, and then hopefully we can go grab some ink and finish the gift tags. before I leave to go meet my friend to finish a little Christmas shopping, we're gonna hang some shelves in the nursery. So if you watched the other day's Vlogmas, you know that we stained these to try to match the wood a little bit better. It's obviously not the same, but it's definitely closer. So I'm gonna sit in here and boss Dave around and tell him where to hang these. But these are just gonna be like little bookshelves. So what the plan is to put books on the top two, and then we flipped the shelf so that the rod hangs down, and so we're gonna hang some of our like favorite little outfits of hers, so it's like her little like clothing rack. I just think it was so cute. So we have a few books that I might just put in a couple of her outfits, so let's hang a couple things. Here are some of the books and her little outfits. I am dying, you guys. Why is it all so cute? These are just some books that we've gotten. A little rattle, a little bow, and then 3 of my favorite little outfits that we got for her. I just can't handle the little things. Alright, well that was really cute and took us literally like 10 minutes. It was a super fast project. But so cute. I was just telling my friends, I sent them a picture and I was like, I cry and get like emotional every time we do something in her room, like something new. It could be like the smallest thing, like what did we do? Oh, we hung like little knobs in her closet and I was like dying. I'm like, such a freaking weirdo, but it's just so exciting. So I'm actually running a little bit behind now. I am going to get ready and head off to the mall to meet my friend. I don't think we'll be there very long. We both had like a couple things that we needed to pick up, so we thought we would meet each other there, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Sorry, I thought I was gonna vlog when I was there, but I was literally there for less than an hour, so it was a pretty quick trip. But I thought I would show you guys a few things that I got. So I ran into Anthropologie and bought a couple of really random things. Some of these are gonna seem like really lame gifts because they would be if they were on their own or whatever, but trust me, they're going with something that it would make sense. I just can't really like show you. So the first thing I found were these little scrunchies, or like hair ties. I just thought they were super cute and they're so soft, and I've actually never used them, but I imagine they're probably like really good for your hair. So I got these just because I thought the colors were really nice. So I'm gonna add those to something. And then I found these, which are so cool. So I don't have a bathtub at my house, which is honestly one of the worst things that ever happened to me. But I have a shower, and I loved getting Lush bath bombs all the time when I had a bathtub at my old apartment, and obviously now I don't have a bathtub, so I can't do that. And I know some people hate taking baths, and I found these at Anthropologie, and it's basically a big bar, and you can break off little like pieces of it, so it's like 2 to 3 tablets every time you shower, and you put them on the bottom of your shower, and so when the water hits, like the scent like kind of comes up, and it smells so good, you guys. This is what it's called. There was, I think, 3 other scents, but this one by far smelled the best, and it smells so good. So I thought that was kind of cool and something that I definitely would use. Next thing's a very 2020 lame, but I did it, and it's going with something, so please don't judge me. But this is my favorite hand sanitizer. It's from Anthropologie. Comes in like this really cute packet. So I have these in like all of my purses, all my bags, in my car. They're just like super thin, and they just untwist on the top. So I got one of these. And then I saw these. I don't know like how they work or if they're legitimate or anything, but they're forehead thermometers, which I just thought were, you know, very 2020, and I thought they were interesting. So I'm gonna put those with something as well. And then we popped into Zara and I bought a little like baby doll dress for Christmas. I'm not sure a baby doll dress is gonna be the most flattering on a 6-month pregnant body, but I'm gonna try it on, and I have a vision for the outfit, so hopefully it's cute. I got that. And then if you think I can go to Zara without going to the baby section and buying something, you're wrong, because I can't and I won't. It is got the cutest clothes ever, you guys. There's literally nothing in that store for the baby that I wouldn't buy. It's so cute. I had these in my shopping cart the other day and I ended up removing them and buying something else, and then I saw them in the store and I just had to get them. They're these little bibs and they cross in the back, and then they kind of are like little long pants. I just thought for the springtime when she's born, with just like maybe like a long sleeve underneath or something. I just thought, you guys, look how cute. They're like little corduroy. I can't. I died. So that's what I got. That is basically all I got. Didn't really get a ton, but definitely wrapped up a few of my gifts that I needed to. Found a dress to wear to Christmas, hopefully, which is a feat in itself when you're 6 months pregnant. And yeah, I am probably gonna continue wrapping paper tonight, or wrapping gifts tonight. I'm just waiting on a few gifts still in the mail, which I'm crossing my fingers come in time. I'm literally not sure they're going to, but I'll wrap as much as I can tonight just to get a good head start. Not a head start really, I'm like down to the wire because it's already like only a few days away, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go chill for a little bit and then I will check in with you guys in a little while.